This is attorney Andrea Witt.
And I'm attorney Stephen Spano with a Legal and Financial Minute, or two.
In one of our previous episodes, we discussed the importance of expertly drafted estate planning documents, such as a trust.
In this episode, we're going to discuss how the simplest and smallest details in a trust can derail even an expertly drafted trust, will, power of attorney, healthcare proxy, or other planning document.
Lisa Marie Presley, the only child of Elvis Presley, died on January 12, 2023, at the age of 54. At the time of her death, she had a revocable living trust that allowed her to control all her assets while she was alive and had mental capacity.
Her trust named her as the trustee of the trust, so she could manage it while she was alive, and it also named her mother Priscilla as a successor trustee after Lisa Marie died.
The trust also gave Lisa Marie complete control of her trust and allowed her to change it at any time.
Since the trust was revocable and Lisa Marie could change her trust at any time, she did exactly that in 2016 when she removed her mother, Priscilla, as a successor trustee and named her two children, Riley and Benjamin, as her successor trustees.
It's now 2023, 7 years later. Lisa Marie dies, and Priscilla contests the change that removed her as a trustee in court.
Now, we'd all think that Priscilla doesn't have a case since Lisa Marie had a revocable trust. She was the trustee, she was the grantor, and she could do whatever she pleased with the trust, including removing her mother.
We would normally be right, but unfortunately, even the ultra-rich do not always have attorneys that dot every I and cross every T.
Many revocable trusts require removed trustees to be notified of their removal.
And Lisa Marie's trust had such a requirement.
But Priscilla was not notified, even though it was required by the language in the trust.
In addition, there was a misspelling of Priscilla's name on the document that her own daughter, Lisa Marie, signed.
These seemingly unimportant and trivial errors resulted in a successful challenge by Priscilla to the changed trust that removed her as trustee.
The moral of the story is that it's not only the intricate details that matter in creating an expertly drafted trust.
Successful trusts also require complying with the simplest and tiniest details that are inside the trust itself.
Not to mention knowing your mother's name.
That's true. So join us for our next episode of A Legal and Financial Minute, or two.
Remember, all legal and financial professionals are not the same. Seek out an expert legal and financial professional to protect you and your family.
We hope this Legal and Financial Minute, or two, has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
If you have something you'd like us to address in one of our segments, or have any other questions on this or another legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano and Dewicki and Witt at 781-231-7800 or email us at help@spanodewicki.com.